Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on MuleSoft, the industry-leading integration platform that helps businesses connect their applications, data, and devices. If you've ever struggled to connect different systems, manage APIs, or ensure smooth data flows between your tools, MuleSoft might be the solution you've been looking for. In this tutorial, we'll break down the basics of MuleSoft, explain why it's a must-have for businesses of all sizes, and guide you step by step through its core functionalities. As organizations increasingly rely on diverse applications and data sources, integration becomes crucial for productivity and success. MuleSoft is trusted by thousands of companies worldwide to streamline their operations, simplify complex processes, and enable rapid scalability. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of MuleSoft's capabilities and how to use it to solve your integration challenges. So before we get started, first, what is MuleSoft? So MuleSoft is a platform designed to integrate disparate systems, enabling seamless communication between applications, data sources, and devices. So it provides a unified solution to create APIs, integrate data, and automate workflows across multiple environments. So its flagship product, Anypoint platform, simplifies integration by offering a suite of tools to design, build, and manage integrations in one place. So now let's get started. So simply head over to MuleSoft.com for its website, and from here you can go and avail their free trial. So simply sign up for an account, and you will now be redirected to your dashboard. So this is how the Anypoint platform will look like. So for your main page, as you can see, we have the Anypoint Code Builder, Design Center, Exchange, Anypoint Studio, and from here we have the Management Center that has the API Manager, which can manage clients, policies, SLAs, traffics, and alerts. We have the API governance, so you can govern and monitor your API conformance. We have our runtime manager, so you can deploy, manage, and monitor deployed applications. So we have the visualizer right here, monitoring, access management, and secrets manager. So first, we have the Anypoint Code Builder. So to get started, just simply click on Get Started. So from here, you can build your APIs and integrations from a single place. So what you want to do is get the Anypoint Code Builder. So we have the Anypoint Code Builder right here. So this is still in beta, so I can't click on launch. So we have the Anypoint Code Builder right here for desktop. So you just need to click here on install to download the Anypoint Code Builder, and from there you can use MuleSoft's Code Builder. Next feature is the Design Center. So from here, you can get started creating Mule applications and APIs. So you can create visual flows, build, test, and reuse API specifications and fragments. So click on Start Designing, and we will now be redirected to the Design Center. So as you can see right here, from here you will see all of your API projects. So as of now, we don't have one because we have a fresh account. So to create one, simply click on Create right here in the top left. And as you can see, we can either create a new API specification, a new fragment, new async API, or just create a new project from an existing source. So you can import your from a file right here or sync from existing GitHub repo. So let's say we want to create a new API specification. So let's just add the project name, click on Create API. And now it will be redirected to the designer. As you can see right here, you can create your codes right here. So I'm not really going to walk you through how to do the codes. Let's just go back to the other features. Next is the exchange. So you can discover and share reusable APIs right here. We also have the Anypoint Studio, so you'll need to download this application. So next in the Management Center, we have the API Manager. So from here, we will see all of the APIs. So if you don't have one yet, you can always add new ones. As you can see, you can choose the downtime, select the runtime, so Flex Gateway or Mule Gateway. And also add gateways right here. Do that, click on Next. So you need to select the gateway, design. So I'm not really going to walk you through on how to create your API. So just follow the steps right here to create one. Just going to walk you through all of the features. So next is the API governance. You can govern and monitor your API performance. Right here, as you can see, you can add new profiles. Next is runtime manager. So from here, you'll see all of your applications and your servers. So you can deploy your applications such as your computer. So you can add it right here and you will see the runtime of those applications. Next is visualizer. So you can visualize your application network. So as you can see, we have the network right here. We will see servers. Next is monitoring. So here, so it's not loading right here. So basically you can simply monitor the or create alerts or troubleshoot your devices. Next is access management. So you can manage users, business groups, and audit logs. So from here you will see all of the users that has access to this platform. So of course you can always invite new users. We have the teams, groups right here. So just feel free to explore about these features. And next is the Secrets Manager, where you can manage your public keys for SSL communication. So basically, that is all of the features of MuleSoft. So just feel free to explore more about what those features can do. So I just walk you through the basics of the features. So I didn't really walk you through how to use or how to code. So just feel free to explore the Anypoint platform of MuleSoft, and in no time you can now use MuleSoft for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.